Did you ask superheroes for help? We are coming to the rescue! Hello? Is this the super cleaning company? Please come right away! It's a disaster! Your super cleaners are coming to the rescue! Supergirl and Captain America are on duty today. You know it's a superhero when you see a super uniform. They'll clean the city in an instant. Relax, ma'am. We'll take care of it. They clean super fast. It's spotless. Now you can pay. Achoo! Holy marvel! What did you do to my home? Draw a circle on a round red tray. Outline a smaller circle inside. Color every other circle with white paint. Draw a star in the center following a template. Paint the space outside the star blue. Coat the tray with acrylic polish. Hot glue ribbon to the back as straps for your hand. Sorry, ma'am. We need to leave for a new task. Batman will fix your home. Our company offers a new service, brushing your pet, even if it's a chicken. For this service, we borrowed Iron Man's glove. Outline a trapeze, 2 rectangles, and a circle on a piece of gold faux leather. Cut them out. Attach double-sided tape. Fasten the pieces to a red rubber glove. Copy the pattern of Iron Man's glove. Make 3D drops on the palm and 2 fingers with yellow hot glue. I always wanted to be Iron Man! Come here, little chickie! We'll turn you into a princess. Let's clean your feathers. Oops! I accidentally turned on the blasters. Well, are you in the mood for some lunch? Is your office a total mess? Freeze, mortals! Here's your super cleaning crew. We have the most powerful weapon. It's Thors Hammer. Cut a 3D head of Thors Hammer out of thick cardboard. Bend the edges using a ruler. Cut out a hole for a handle. Also cut out a 3D detail for the sides of the hammer head. Hot glue the piece together. Cut a strip out of a cardboard tube. Attach it as a handle. Coat the hammer with white primer. Color the head with silver acrylic paint. Paint the handle brown. Create a pattern like on Mjolnir. Attach a dustpan inside the hammer. Use double-sided tape. Stick a broom into the handle. Thors Hammer easily turns into Thor's broom. The mess is gone. Farewell! Avenger cleaners are at your disposal. Spiderman is the best when it comes to dealing with walls and windows. Open a red spray bottle. Take a sprayer that makes a stream. Decorate it with a Spiderman logo sticker. Pour glass cleaner into the bottle. Attach the sprayer. Cover the bottle with white yarn. Wrap the yarn around the bottle so it looks like spider webs. Superheroes quickly clean hard-to-get spots in your office. Protecting the city from dust is our duty. I don't want to do the dishes. I'll just call superheroes. A sponge is not enough for this mountain of dishes. Let's use the Hulk super strength. Cut 2 big sponges so they are straight on one side. Hot glue them together. Make a cut in the middle for your hand. Cut out 3 hollows on top. Use scissors and a knife to shape fingers. Cut out a hollow for a palm. And shape a bent thumb. Cut ovals out of green felt and attach the nails to the fingers. Add shades and textures using fabric paint. Oh yeah! Hulk smash! Calm down, Cap! We are here to do dishes, not break them! Phew! How boring! The dishes are squeaky clean. Thanks, Hulk! Oh my goodness! There's a river under the couch! I need super cleaners right now! Are you having problems with your pipes? Our superheroes will handle it with Aquaman's trident. Trace a template of Aquaman's trident on Styrofoam. Cut it out. Round the edges with a knife. Cut a Styrofoam tube and superglue it to a cardboard tube. Hot glue the tube to the trident. Cut a fin out of Styrofoam following a template. Paint it gold. Color the whole piece with gold acrylic paint. Paint a mop handle gold and stick it into the fin. Put the handle into the trident and attach the piece to a mop. Move the trident and hide the mop in the tube. What a flood! Stop panicking! Aquaman's trident will take care of it. This Aqua Mop can handle any liquid. After just 1 minute, everything is dry again. Express shopping service. Hang on! Cap, it's your turn to get the order. A flash bag will help you. Cut a flash logo out of paper. Cut the same shape out of gold foam paper along the template. Attach a silver cardboard circle to a rectangular piece of red sticker paper. Add the flash logo on top. Attach the whole piece to a paper bag. Flash shopping is the fastest thing ever! No lines, and the client is happy! Did you like our superhero cleaning ideas? Then let us know in the comments how you'd clean your room! Thor's broom, Hulk's sponge, or Iron Man's glove! And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up! Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new superhero accessory ideas from Troom.